Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I appreciate the chairman in bringing this forward and the comments that have been had. Mr. Speaker, I rise to support this legislation because I believe the American people have had enough of hypocrisy. You know, this is not about federal workers. This is about financial reality. This is what we've got to look at right now. And what I have told my staff, and I've told many in our district, that too many times we cannot let the emotion of the moment miss the honesty of the moment. Last month, many Americans saw their own paychecks decrease as a result of a payroll tax increase. While average Americans were feeling the effects of this tax increase at home, the President was pushing through a pay raise for federal employees, and yes, including members of Congress. There are hardworking men and women in my district who are struggling to make ends meet. They would love a raise, but unlike the administration, they don't have the power to unilaterally take taxpayer dollars and increase their own paycheck. Instead, they have sacrificed, made cuts, and they've gotten rid of the extras in their daily lives and found ways to live within their means. They have done these things using a process that the President could learn from. Families across the state of Georgia and across the nation sit down and decide their priorities, and they make tough decisions on how to spend their money. I cannot support the government taking on more debt to give raises to members of Congress and to federal employees at this time. I submitted an amendment on this to Rules Committee extending this pay freeze through the end of next year. I'm glad to see my friend from across Island, Massachusetts would agree with me on that. You know, because I believe we need to resolve this issue and move forward with serious reforms to address our nation's fiscal crisis. Just as millions of Americans have done for their entire lives, Washington needs to learn to make do. America does not need pay raises for bureaucrats. They need real leadership. They need real reform, real commitment to putting our country back on a path of prosperity. American taxpayers deserve no less, and I yield back the balance of my time.